Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the 2.5 gigabits PCIe network card with the Intel I226-V chip, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This network card is designed to upgrade your desktop PC's network capabilities with lightning-fast 2.5G Base-T connectivity, making it an excellent choice for users seeking faster and more reliable wired internet connections. Powered by the Intel I226-V Ethernet controller, this PCIe 3.1x1 card delivers stable and seamless performance. It supports multiple transmission speeds including 100 megabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and 2.5 gigabits per second, ensuring backward compatibility with existing network infrastructure while providing a significant speed boost where supported. The card's compatibility extends across a broad range of operating systems such as Windows 10 and 11, Linux kernel May 16, 18, RHEL 8.6, and VMware ESXi 8.0, making it a versatile solution for both home and professional environments. Installation is straightforward but requires downloading and installing drivers from the manufacturer's official website. This step is crucial for optimal performance and is clearly outlined in the product documentation. The card comes with both standard and low-profile brackets, allowing it to fit into various PC cases, including compact HDPCs and 2U servers. Its PCIe X1 interface also supports X4, X8, and X16 slots, providing flexibility for different motherboard configurations. One of the standout features is the premium alloy heat sink, which efficiently dissipates heat to maintain stable operation even during heavy network loads. This helps prevent overheating and ensures durability over extended use. Additionally, gold-plated connectors enhance contact reliability and longevity. However, potential buyers should verify motherboard compatibility with the Intel I226-V chip and ensure the NIC interface is enabled in BIOS settings prior to purchase. This precaution helps avoid installation issues and ensures smooth integration. Pros: high-speed 2.5 gigabits per second connectivity for faster wired networking, broad OS compatibility including Windows, Linux, and VMware, flexible installation with standard and low-profile brackets, efficient heat dissipation with premium alloy heat sink, gold-plated connectors for enhanced durability. Cons: requires manual driver installation. Compatibility depends on motherboard support for Intel I226-V chip. Overall, this 2.5 gigabits PCIe network card offers an excellent upgrade path for users looking to enhance their wired network speeds without investing in a new system. Its robust build, wide compatibility, and reliable performance make it a smart choice for gamers, professionals, and tech enthusiasts alike. Remember, the link to purchase this network card at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Be sure to check it out to get the best deal available.